How to make Instagram account private. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to make Instagram account private. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure that you sign in to your account. Navigate to the profile icon at bottom right corner. And first thing to note that you need to change your professional account to personal account. For that, select the three-line menu icon at top right. Scroll down. Look for Creator Tools and Controls option. Select that. Scroll down and choose Switch Account Type. Tap on Switch to Personal Account and tap on Switch to Personal Account. You need to wait a while until the changes have been made. Once done, you need to come back to the Setting and Activity page. Look for Account Privacy option and select that. After that, turn on Private Account button and tap on Switch to Private. With that, you have successfully made your Instagram account private. That's all. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.